Hi, I'm Jax.
And I'm Sassy Jax.
And today we're going to walk you through how to create holiday greeting cards. Remember that huge haul that I got from Carla? Well, I thought I'm going to use a lot of these for some of the Christmas cards that I need to create. I'm going to color a bunch of this stuff and put on some music so you can tag along. I think I'm gonna do a stitched square and I will die cut this out. So I got this cute little stitched square. So now I have two super cute things I can put on a card. I put some Wink of Stella glitter all over the bottom, and then I took Salty Ocean, blended that in the center there. I decided to take peeled paint and mix that around on this one. I also colored in all that stuff with my Spectrum Noir Illustrator alcohol markers. Okay, so now I've got this blender, and I'm going to take some vintage photo. And I am going to go around the edges again on top of that green. And there you go. Look how cute they are. Oh, I'm so happy I put that glossy accents on there. It really makes a huge difference. Number 2 is done. So this is some leftover Christmas bulbs. I colored them with Spectrum Noir alcohol markers and I covered it with glossy accents, and then I fussy cut them out and placed them on here, and then used some liquid pearls for the string.
I like it. I think it's cute.
That's 5 cards. Card number 1. Card number 2. Here's a little bit of that wink of Stella. Card number 3. Card number 4. And card number 5. So there you have it, folks. This probably was maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours of dedicated work, but it definitely paid off. I have 5 cards. They're very unique. Thanks for tagging along. Thanks for joining me today. If you want to see what else I create on this channel,
Like acrylic paintings, greeting cards, stamping, die cutting, and recycled art, furniture, all kinds of things.
consider subscribing because I'd love to have you as a viewer. Until next time, love your guts. Bye!